Well, we got all of the insole armor laid down. So that's been done. Gotta cut around all of the hard parts like here, and the front, around there. So now we're just gonna add some tuck tape, I guess is what we call it. Basically, it's a vapor barrier tape. So we're gonna put some of that down on all of the seams, and then we are ready to lay our beautiful new flooring. All right, let's get to it. So we decided to go with an Ikea kitchen because, well, plywood's really expensive right now. And yeah, so far we have one corner cabinet installed. We have another cabinet to go here. And then we have another corner cabinet to go here. And then we have more cabinets to go along here. So today we're going to install those. And I think I will give a little bit of an instructional video on how to assemble the IKEA section corner cabinet. So let's get started. And there you have it. We've now built the IKEA section corner cabinet. So you can see kind of cabinet 1 here is what we built first. Just finished building that section here. Pop the 2 of them together. And now you have a beautiful corner cabinet. And soon we'll have all of this together to form somewhat of the world's tiniest kitchen. So thanks so much for watching. Follow along if you want to see more of this tiny kitchen inside the adventure bus. And until next time, take it easy out there.